Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see the use of upper, lower and proper function of Excel. You can see here in column A, we have some names are written in a different format and we will convert these names into upper and lower and proper. So let's type here equal to sign, then type upper, select this cell, press enter. Then for lower type equal to sign, then type lower here, press enter. And for proper type equal to sign, then type proper here, press enter. Select all these cells and drag it down. Now you can see all these names are converted into upper, lower and proper function. So by this way you can convert the names into upper and lower and proper format in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.